Good morning, everyone. Badley and Kat are back traveling through Indonesia. So today we are going to be going through Batu and Malang. We will be taking you through some absolutely beautiful landscapes on the back of an ATV and motorbike, followed by exploration of some gorgeous traditional temples. We're about to go on another quad bike adventure this year in Batu because it's fun and why not? And Jenny did my hair this morning. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling fresh. Had some nasi goreng for breakfast, which was delicious. And here we are. Those steps, you just kind of miss them. Yeah, here's the quad bikes. Yeah, so here we're serving. Oh, kucing. I know, he's beautiful. Hi, cat. Oh, he's shy. It's so beautiful, man. And this is
Look at that,
Batu.
the middle point of that mountain to mountain.
Saddle. It's a saddle mountain.
Funny.
Here you go, me Chantel up the mountain. how we do it.
Just stop to take some photos. Yeah, okay, I'll do another one.
And this. Look at that.
On the bikes.
Just put on the bike this way.
That was a ride. How you feel, Lucas?
Awesome.
That was a little bit of our four-wheel driving right there.
Yeah, alright.
It's okay?
Yeah, wow.
Sorry, Lucas. I'm so sorry, man. Look at at Lucas.
Jesus.
Wow.
What have you done? Bro, look at Lucas.
Let me stop my car race.
Oh, man.
Jump on the bike and turn, yeah?
No.
No?
Not at this point, no way.
The bike's sick, man. It wants to pop wheelies, quick but it wants to come up. Boom, boom. You want to swap or do you want to jump on the bike? So you can jump on the bike. Just swap.
Aman come in?
Oh no. You can ride it? Yeah?
I don't think so.
That's right.
Aman.
Hey.
Yeah. Salju.
Kucing, kucing.
We're now heading back to Malang.
Kayak harus belajar gitu-gitu.
We're gonna stay in a little hotel while the rest of the family stay at the family's house. Yeah, so it's really beautiful.
Hey guys, we've just arrived in our hotel room. We're staying at the Grand Cakra Hotel in Malang. This room is beautiful
Very nice.
and it cost us 40 bucks.
It's not bad considering last minute booking.
I booked it like 10 minutes ago and we got in the taxi. Family was so cranky because the hotel I booked told us they were booked out when we arrived, which was
Chop, chop.
really annoying. This is stunning. Thank God. Okay, we are now heading to a temple. What's it called, Bradley? Okay, we don't know. We're just going to meet everyone there. But this is the hotel, which is really lovely. Lobby. Down.
I look like a gangster, look at this. I'm wearing a skirt, bro. Look at this, look at this. Yeah. Bang. Bang. Bang.
This is the kitchen area. Grand Chakra. Beautiful. Going. go to a temple. Do we know what it's called yet?
No.
We don't know what it's called. Alif, where are we going? Where are we going?
Temple na namanya apa?
What's the temple's called?
Candi Jago.
Jago?
Jago, Candi Jago.
Candi
Jago.
Jago
Yes.
Temple. Alright, Badley and I are on the CBR Honda. Yeah, boy! It's so tiny! 150! It is borrowing random people's bikes.
This is my uncle's bike.
So tiny.